Hello guys, welcome you all again in my channel Vishali Tarun Soni. I am Vishali Soni from Devbhoomi coaching classes. Here brought questions of current affair for you. My topic is cyclone. Cyclone is a large destructive storm that characterized by strong winds and rain that swirl around a calm center. Now, this question is mostly asked in your competitive examination. In the northern hemisphere, cyclone rotates counterclockwise, means anti-clockwise, while in the southern hemisphere, they rotate clockwise. Now, different countries have different name of cyclones. In Indian subcontinent, tropical cyclone are called cyclones. Hurricane in US, typhoon along the coast of China and Japan. Cyclone Yas. This cyclone was named by Oman. The word Yas comes from Persian language where it means jasmine in English. The cyclone Fani. This cyclone was named by Bangladesh. The name Fani refers to the word snake. Cyclone Gulab. This cyclone was named by Pakistan. Bilibili in Australia. Now, there are few cyclones that was take place in 2024. Shanshan and Ampil that will take place in Japan in the same year. Alvaro in Madagascar और ये 2024 का पहला साइक्लोन था. रेमल बे ऑफ बंगाल में ये साइक्लोन आया और इसका जो नाम था वो ओमान देश ने दिया था. रेमल का मतलब है रेत. असना ये साइक्लोन अरेबियन सी में आया था और इसका नाम जो था पाकिस्तान ने दिया था, जिसका मतलब होता है स्वीकार करना. सुपर टाइफून यांगी ये सितंबर मंथ में, इसी मंथ में चाइना में आया है. और मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है दैट इज़ अबाउट स्टैटिक जीके नीति आयोग. When I'm talking about Niti Aayog, there are so many questions that is asked in examination. For example, the abbreviation of Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is the abbreviation of National Institution for Transforming India. Niti Aayog is a policy think tank of the government of India. Next question is when it was formed. It was formed on 1st January 2015. Where is the headquarter? Its headquarter is in New Delhi. It was established to replace the Planning Commission, which followed a top-down model. And Prime Minister of India is the chairman of Niti Aayog. Even CEO and Vice Chairperson of Niti Aayog are appointed by the Prime Minister. Now, that question was mostly asked in your examination. Who was the first chairperson of the Niti Aayog? That is Arvind Pangharia. And who was the first CEO of Niti Aayog? That question was asked in your competitive examination recently. Who was the first CEO of Niti Aayog? That Sindhu Shri Khullar. Now, the next question is, who is the current CEO of Niti Aayog? That is Amitabh Kant. Now, few questions regarding Amitabh Kant is, he was the master brain behind Make in India, Startup India, and Incredible India campaign. And that famous book was written by Amitabh Kant, that is Branding India, an Incredible Story. Kerala's highly successful tourism tagline, Kerala's God's Own Country, was created by Amitabh Kant. This is all about your Niti Aayog. Now there are two questions for you. In which year did Vyas Samman start? In which year did Padma Award start? You just write down the answer of these two questions in the comment box. I hope you like this video of current affair. For more such video, you have to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.